as I promised, let's talk about one more plant today. So I'm going to talk one specific plant. So let's start. Yeah. So can you see the name of this plant is Tiger aloe. It is a variegated aloe vera, which also comes as a succulent. So you can see this plant closely. This is a beautiful aloe vera plant, variegated aloe vera plant, and taking care of this plant is very easy and simple. Uh, this is very easy and beautiful house plant to take care of. You can see it is looking beautiful. Um, yeah, so it's a very small pot, 3.2-inch ceramic pots, and when you see this aloe here, it looks lovely. It's growing, and taking care of this aloe is very simple and easy. I'll show you how we can take care of this aloe vera. The name of this is Tiger aloe. Tiger aloe. So first of all, as I'm speaking about three important things. The first is soil, second is water, and third is sunlight. So I'm keeping this plant in my living room on teapot. What I do, it needs well drained soil. Well drained soil means when you add water, soil should come out of its drainage hole. So that is called well drained soil. The second thing, what kind of light do require this plant? So this require bright, medium or filtered light. So even if you are not keeping this in direct sunlight, it will do good. You can keep this plant in your living room. You can keep this even in your bedroom also, or any area where you get bright light, bright filtered light. And how and when we should water this plant? So it's very easy plant as I see it, and I do water this plant every Sunday. So whenever like it doesn't need a lot of water, you just need to add little water to this plant and it grows very well. So you can see this beautiful plant, it's growing beautifully and new growth is also coming. And how you can propagate this plant? So when it will grow, it will have small buds in that, so you can remove that as a simple aloe vera and you can propagate this plant. So this plant is beautiful and it's growing absolutely fine. So if you want a plant like this, which you can keep it on your table or in your living room, you can go for this plant. That's it. And if you want to stay happy and peaceful, bring peace of nature to your home. Okay, so thank you for watching. Thank you.